Today I'm here to teach you how to make thumbnail in Photoshop. So let's move on to hit on file and create new. With thumbnail, the width is 1280 and the height is 720, and you must be in pixels, and the background content should be white, and you hit create. Yeah, so we have to import some picture on the canvas. So we'll go to file and select place embedded. Let me choose one picture here with a blue background. Yeah, so this is the picture, but we have to do a cutout. So I normally use the quick selection tool, which is at the top here. So I'll just hit on the quick selection tool for it to do the job for me. And we are waiting for it to select the image on the background. Yeah, the selection is done. I think the quick selection tool has done quite well selecting all the image. I think the edges are great. What we'll do next to select the max, select and max at the top here. Just click on it. Let's wait it for it to load, depending on the system that you're using. Well, now the image is selected. For you to see it well, there's some selections done here, which is the onion skin, the matching ant, and the overlay. I normally use the on black so that I can see all the edges on it. I think it has done a good job. Let me shift the edges small and also the smoothing. All right, let me add some edges to it. Well, feathers. Okay, so I think that's okay. So the selection is done. Here you have to right click on it and select layer via copy. Now it's selected here. So what you have to do is uncheck the original picture for it to cut out, and yeah, you can delete the original layer. So it's been deleted. I've deleted it. So now we can move the image at any point that we want. So next we have to give color to the background that we have. So we'll move to layer and choose new fill layer and solid color. You can choose the gradient, but here we are using the solid color. Choose it, hit OK, and let me choose the color here, orange background. I think it's very nice for the thumbnail that we're doing. Just hit you're okay. We want the image to stand out, so we need to add some stroke to it. So we right click on the image and choose blending option. Choose blending option, then we hit on stroke here, stroke, and let's choose the outside. Remember to use the outside. We have inside and center here, but we are using the outside, so I think size 10 is okay, and the color is white. All right, so it's done. Well, I think things are moving well. Next we have to add our text. So we'll add a text layer. We hit on the text column here. We choose our text. Let's choose our so I prefer to choose the font. Let's choose our font here. Let me scroll down to choose the Phantom. Well, I will choose is it Phantom D? No, let me choose well, Algerian is okay, so has been chosen. What we'll do is edit our text. So we'll start with how to. Okay, so that's okay. Let's hit another layer here. Let's hit another layer. Hit OK. Let's hit another layer by creating another layer here. Yeah, another layer is created. Okay, so let's clear the default rating over there and right make thumbnail. Let's choose our selection tool and also select another layer and right thumbnail. So I think we can move it freely here. Yes, so I think it's okay. Now what we'll do next is to group our ratings together. So we highlight them with control with the mouse together with control plus G to group it so that you can move it together. As seen here. Yeah, so we can move them together now. Well, we need to add some background to the ratings to bring it out, to make it stand out. So what we'll do is create another layer, and choose the layer. Now let's choose triangle tool. Make sure the background is white. Let's strokeless. Yeah. So now we draw our right angle on it. So yes, our right angle is done. Now we need to add some stroke to the background. So we'll create another layer on it. Choose our rectangular markers tool. Then we draw a rectangle in the background. Right click in it and choose stroke. Here we are choosing inside, which is 10 pixels is okay. You hit OK. So our stroke is being given. So you can see with a simple thumbnail design in Photoshop, simple thumbnail. Design in Photoshop. So ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of the tutorial. This is how we created our thumbnail for our YouTube. In case you like the video, share and hit the subscription button for more videos.